an unboxing to do. I bought myself a present. Shall we take a look? Hello, it's Icy. Yes, that is correct. I did in fact buy myself a little present. A little present because I found that the video I recorded previously, I'll link it up there somewhere, of me talking to a mobile phone for a vlog was not good enough. I mean, I knew that it wasn't going to work and that I might need to invest in some sort of additional microphone. So I did some research, I looked around, I found some things, and I decided to go with this one. This is the Boya BYMM1 Universal Cardioid Microphone. So this was about, I think it was $55 Australian. So very reasonable. There are a number of competitors to this. I decided to go with this one as opposed to, for example, the Rode. Because of price, in that this project is a pretty small project that I'm doing. It's not, I don't want to spend a bunch of money on this because I'm having fun at the moment doing little vlogs and little sewing stuff. Will it work forever? I don't know. So it was a toss-up between, I did decide that I was going to go something relatively inexpensive. Plus, if I decide that this is not for me, other members of the family can use this as well and have a great deal of fun. There was also a toss-up between basically a shotgun mic, which this is, if a mini one, and either some sort of lavalier mic was another option. And I decided to go with the shotgun specifically because the room where the sewing stuff is very echoey. There is no real noise buffering at all. Good noises, good crackly noises here. There's no noise buffering. And I've noticed even on just the mobile phone, it picks up all of the sounds everywhere from outside. So I did think having a directional shotgun mic might be a better option for in there, as opposed to a lavalier, which would pick up 360-degree sounds. There was a couple of other more expensive options I looked at, some wireless options, but ultimately the camera is going to be sitting, well, like literally about this far away, maybe a little bit further. Yeah, I decided to go with that. The other reason I got this one is because it is compatible both with a mobile phone and this camera. So if I decide I want to go vlogging on the run or with a better camera as opposed to a mobile, this is also an option. So that seemed pretty good. Found a good deal from an Australian shop. So I went with that. So let's take a little look, shall we, at what's in the box. Oh, black background. Not so great. Hang on. How's that? Slightly better. We'll go with that. Alrighty, so we have the, as I understand, is now called a dead cat. I'm going to call it the furry. I have a furry. Actually, that's bad too, isn't it? Yeah, that's bad. All right, so we'll just pull the bear paw. No, I don't like it. Off. There we go. So it's got like a rubber, basically a rubber grip. So it actually took a small amount of force to get off, which is good. As you can see, I'm recording this in the afternoon or the evening, so I've only got the incidental lights and I don't have any extra lights here, which I can see is a flaw for this kind of recording. Here we go. So that's the mic. It's made out of aluminium. It's pretty, it's not massively heavy, but it's got a decent weight to it. We have a 3.5 millimeter jack at the back, and I mean that's literally it. That's it. That's the whole thing. That's just that. That's all it is, which is cool. We have a do not eat. Please don't eat them. We have a shock mount. So with a hot shoe slide, but also a standard screw-in camera jack as well. So you can mount that either into a hot shoe, which my fancy camera has, or just screw it into some sort of camera mount as well. That's a pretty tight fit. Oh, there we go. Clips in. It's not, there's, you know, like, there's some bounce protection there. It's not going to, it's not really like bouncing like sort of ding, which is probably good. That's a technical term, by the way. Ding. Yeah, that's definitely technical. All right, if I put that on the box. Alrighty, so we have, should have, here we go, two cables. So as you can see, we've got, can we see the plugs there? And the light, maybe? Okay, so one is a TRS to TRS cable. So that's the kind of cable I would use for the camera. And then we also have, which is this one with the right. So basically there's the stretch one is the camera cable, and then the plain cable is the one that you actually use with your mobile phone. So it's TRS at this end for the microphone to TTRS. So at the camera side, sorry, at the mobile phone side. So you can also use it on a laptop with the correct kind of connector. Sorry, as long as your laptop accepts the TTRS adjustment, jack, something, you can use it in there as well. And that's it. That's it. It's very simple. It's basically the microphone. Oh, and a bag. A little reasonably largish bag. That's really, I mean, I suppose it has to fit the tribble. It has to fit the tribble in it. So if you're putting a tribble in the bag, then obviously you need a little more room. So, so that's it. I bought a new present. So I will have to make some more videos now while I'm doing some sewing and chatting. I'm quite excited, to be honest. Hopefully it works. I might also be able to do some outdoor vlogging. It's also available this way for other members of the fam to use it if they need it for various projects, which is cool. I have a tribble, which matches my hair. I do feel that maybe I should stick some googly eyes on this thing. No, because then I'll get some noise bouncing. I could make some felt eyes. I could do that. Look out for a project soon near you. Let me know what you think. Have you tried this mic before? Do you like these little mobile phone / camera shotgun mics? I haven't ever used one before, so we're going to see how it goes. Hopefully it will work well. Hopefully I'll just be able to do straight up recording off this mic straight into the editor, which is the whole plan. I don't want to have to muck around with adjusting volume levels or recording separate tracks and then merging them later. I just really, for recording little videos, I want to literally press go, press stop, trim the ends, and then that's it. Because that means I'm more likely to do more of them. So, did you find this video helpful? If so, let me know in the comments. Give us a thumbs up, which helps share this video through the YouTube algorithm. The thing that we all try to work out what the hell it's doing. Please, if you haven't, please go follow my second YouTube channel. If you could, that would be amazing. The idea is I will split my content when I have enough follows over on there. So that would be very helpful. Thank you very much for watching, and I will talk to you next time. Bye.